Celebrating successes, trust and teamwork. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on workplace culture. Today, we'll dive into an integral part of teamwork, celebrating successes and milestones. The moments we stop to acknowledge our achievements can significantly impact our relationships and trust at work. So, let's explore why it's crucial and how to do it right. When we celebrate successes, it's not just about the victory itself but about valuing the effort of every team member. It 1. Reinforces positive behavior. People tend to repeat actions when they're appreciated for them. 2. Boosts morale. Taking time to celebrate uplifts everyone's spirits. 3. Promotes unity. Celebrating together strengthens the bonds between team members. Milestones are smaller, incremental achievements leading to a bigger goal. For example, completing the first phase of a project. Major successes are the big wins, like launching a product. Milestones. Think of these as checkpoints. Celebrating them keeps the team motivated for the journey ahead. Major successes. These are culmination points and deserve larger celebrations. Celebrations can vary from simple gestures to grand events. Here are some ideas. 1. Personal acknowledgement. A simple, thank you, or, well done, goes a long way. 2. Team lunches or dinners. Bonding over food is always a good idea. 3. Awards and recognitions. Offer certificates or trophies for outstanding performances. 4. Share success stories. Sometimes, sharing the journey and challenges faced can be inspiring for all. 5. Workshops or off-sites. They can be both celebratory and constructive. Every time you celebrate a success or milestone, you're building trust by 1. Showing appreciation. Acknowledging someone's effort makes them feel valued. 2. Open communication. Sharing achievements opens the door for feedback and discussion. 3. Creating a positive environment. Celebrations create a positive atmosphere, encouraging more open collaboration. Celebrating successes and milestones isn't just about the events or actions. It's about the intention behind them. The intent to build trust, foster relationships, and create a collaborative environment. We hope this video helps you understand its significance and inspires you to make celebration an integral part of your workplace culture. Until next time, happy learning!